To fix screenshot not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your device. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Now here you will see update option. And if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, allow palm swipe to capture. Open setting, scroll down, click on advanced features, click on motion and gestures. Now here you will see palm swipe to capture, and if you want to allow, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow palm swipe to capture from your phone. This is how you can fix screenshot not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.